Imreoirí sé chuig na Champaigní Melbourne na mílte sin téanana amháin eile neamhlí gríseas na AFLW na Adelaide Crows. Cénsar tuncar bheach an gléis seoir an tábla agus na amóirí eile. Seo túris go bhacht armachtánacha.
Ní lenchlaf a Buaicphointí an Séasúr na Western Bulldogs. Bhfuil Carton Blue did agus Coulton scored to get Ron Fitzpatrick.
High up and under. McWilliams can't take it. Waiting in front though, Fitzpatrick. She's had moments of energy and excitement, and she kicks the goal. The night belongs to the Blues, but the Bulldogs finish with a little fight.
Bhí an clifa idir dá ar an óchttar Harbáir. Bhí neart action an seo, Sinead Goldrick is drifur a Maccan Lornach, ach bhí Yvonne Bonner níomh Kelly bhí Kellura níor chailte sin échla fa fós.
Couldn't complete the mark. Kelly rode the bump of Harris. Corralled by Gay. Gets on the right. Sends it inside the centre square. Again, Melbourne through Goldrick can rebound. They've shared 4 of the competition's 6 grand final wins. We're seeing a battle for the ages. Martin over the top to Gould. Will run into an open goal. The Adelaide Crows have broken Melbourne's record-winning streak, and they take top spot in the AFLW ladder.
That's holding the ball, so it'll be a free kick for Gilroy directly in front. And slots it through. Hawks have got their second.
Bhí buaigh na Saints ar na Hawks, Anion, Cúil ag Áine McDonough, Péire Eichishin agus Aileen Gilroy.
Oh, that's a great mark. One-on-one, the taller play, McDonough in front to make it back-to-back goals. McDonough. She gives them a sniff. And the Saints will be feeling a little nervous. It's 3 in a row for the Saints for the very first time in the AFLW.
Kegra Antúsach agus Cúil ag Orla O'Dwyer's Tiberdaran, bhí Torrigan Chunne nor a chail na Lions.
28 metres, it's going to drop short, it might still work. O'Dwyer at the back can run into an open goal.
Na Magpies bhór Canis fearr ortha, Aisling Sheridan agus Sarah Rowe ag imirt Low Shoe.
And the Magpies have pulled off one of the upsets of the season. Collingwood roll the premiership contender.
Suns inside 50, Dupay, McLaughlin to try and get the engine started here for the Queenslanders.
Paníomh McLaughlin is a Gold Coast Suns imi sa cúil go háitinis ar an tábla, Chris the Cool, díreach ag deire a fáiling Canis fearr ar Richmond.
It's through! The most golden point of all for the Suns!
Bhí Tioncraig Áine Tai, Emma Mulholland, Joanne Craig is Orla Lally ar an glyfa seo, ach níor Laura, bhín Bua ag Eric O'Shea agus na Kangaroos.
End-to-end stuff, Freo, lets it fly, wants it to roll, sits on the line and it's socket through. On your tie and on the board. Tie the hit out, got it into the path of Lally, and Fremantle against the play are able to strike. Well, the 2 Irish women getting involved there. The Kangaroos surge to victory in the West. Their first ever over here. A dominant performance.
She'd added a 10 or Narbulu Fos, agus tá siad ar báir. Chail Melbourne mar sin agus tá siad imi siad in 3 áit. Tá na Kangaroos got to Harrisa, try to shoot Fremantle a chuige. As siad na Western Bulldogs an 10 or in nach Olean chlufa Buaicphointí Fos an Séasúr seo.